read off the name of the group here, and I'm going to ask you to select your alliance partner. I'm going to go over to that alliance partner, whoever that might be, and I'm going to ask that team, whatever it might be, do you accept or decline? It's going to be a response, binary, one or the other, accept or decline. You know the rules, you know how this works. We didn't have any questions. Here we go. 54744A, BK Knights 1 in the top position. Who would you like to choose?
I would like to invite team 199J.
199J, can you raise your hands for me, please? 199J, do you accept or decline? They accept. Go on down, pick up your robot, go stand next to your alliance partner. Back down to rank number 3, gender benders from Weiser High School, 9551F. Who would you like to choose?
9551B.
9551B, can you raise your hand so we can find you? 9551B, do you accept? We decline. We have a decline. Going back to 9551F, who is your second choice? You have 30 seconds.
You might want to raise your sign so you can advertise to be pissed there, guys.
I believe 9551F, Gender Benders, was the all-female team from Weiser High School. Do you have a decision?
1588C.
1588C, do you accept?
Yes.
Yes, they accept. Go ahead and go on over. We're going to move on down the line to the top 6 ranked team. Number 6 ranked team has become now what? Number 4, essentially, is that correct? 1588B from Wayne Enterprises, Wood River High School. Who would you like to choose?
9551A.
9551A is right there. Do you accept? Si, senor. I know what that means. That means yes, sir. Come on down. 5689B, do you accept? Yes, come on down. We are going to move the next 3 contestants. This is what's happened. So we've had some of the top contestants here chosen, right? The top 8 get those choices. Make sense, right? 8 times 3 is 24. 24 teams are going to go. So these next 3 down here, numbers 9, 10, and 11, get bumped up to numbers 6, 7, and 8. So essentially we're going to go back down here to number 6 now. Number 6 is been bumped up from Rigby High School, 9776B, Rigby Trojans. Who would you like to choose? Yes, sir. Last two, please have some thoughts ready to go. If you would like to take a walk around, I encourage you to do so now. (976B), the Rigby Trojans are going to choose
9551E.
9551B. Can you raise your hands? 9551B. E. Do you accept? No, you decline. You understand that you will not be participating in the finals. Accept. Come on down. You're the next contestant on. We have some confusion. All right. 5689C, Leo's Bosses from Caldwell High School. Who would you like to choose? 5212B, if you didn't hear him not speaking in the microphone. Right here, the Llamas, and they're giving you a thumbs up and they're saying yes, go ahead and go on down. Next, we're choosing one more from down here. You are bumped up into the number 8 spot. Yes, young sir, that has a very worried look on your face. Yes, you have to choose. 1617A, IHateShaftCallers.com. There must be a story behind that. I'll ask you later. Who would you like to choose?
60536A.
60536A. Who's that? Right here, rank 19. Valley View Falcons, do you accept? Yes, they accept. Go ahead, go on down.
5689A.
5689A is right here, and I see him picking up. Do I hear a yes? And we have an acceptance. Back to arcade box, is that correct? Yes. 1588A, arcade box from Wood River High School. Who would you like to choose?
We would like to select 1588D.
1588D, right here. I see him picking up. That means they're accepting. We get the thumbs up. We're moving on. Young lady from Gender Benders, Wood River High School, and from Weiser High School. You are going to choose as your third alliance partner? 1588E. Can you raise your hands? Can we find out where you are? Do you accept? He says yes, and he's very excited about it. Back here, how do we get so many people back here? Shh. All the rest of you down here on the way, I suggest that you go take a look as well. Find out, talk to your alliance partners. Ladies and gentlemen, here we got half of our alliance picks. These guys are going to battle it out for the rest of the day. I'd like to remind you all that whichever team wins, now that we are having groups of 3 here, whichever team wins the grand title tournament in the finals match today is going to go on and go to Louisville, Kentucky, as well as the Excellent Award, or the Excellence Award, is also going to be awarded a trip to Louisville, Kentucky, along with our middle school students as well. So we're sending 5 schools from Idaho down to Kentucky to represent Idaho in the finals. Here we are, back to Wayne Enterprises. Who's our lead guy here? And we're going to choose
1617D.
1617D. Do we accept? Yes, I see a groovy. Let's go. Moving on down the line. Vex, and we know it. 9551. Didn't hear the number. What was your number again? We got it? We're good? Vex, and we know it from Weiser High School. We're going to choose
97498.
9749A. I see him picking up. I get a thumbs up, and that means we're good. We're moving on. Rank number 10, Leo's Bosses from Caldwell High School is going to choose
9551C.
9551C. I think is picking it up, and he's running over here as fast as he can. We are down to the last selection. One more student. One more group is going to compete in today's final competition at the State Vex Robotics Competition in 2018. Young man from Ridgeview High School, IHateShaftCallers.com, ranked number 15, is going to choose
1617C.
1617C. Where are you at? Right here. Do you accept? Come on down. Ladies and gentlemen, your finalists for the 2018 Idaho State Vex Robotics Competition. Hey guys, right here, don't leave just yet. I want to give you all a high five and congratulate you all for coming out and playing today. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them one last round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I see you're pretty young. I'm sure we'll see you back next year, yes? Right? Hey guys, thank you very much.